When you go properly outback, a few things start to change. Fuel stops get further and further apart, caravan parks change to bush camping, and my favourite thing, you find some peace and quiet. But there's one other thing that changes. Mainstream brands start to give way for more bespoke, custom off-road caravans from brands like Kidron, Zone, AOR, and of course, Bushtracker. So what better way to review a new 19-foot compact than to take it on an 8-day journey through northwest New South Wales. Let's get into it. The 19 Compact sits in the middle of the size range from Bushtracker and is one of their most popular models due to its overall dimensions and tow-friendly weight. At 2.17 metres wide, it is narrow, hence the compact name. It is, however, a decent investment, with a replacement for this van about $177,000. You can get into one for about $150. This one has some sizable options, so let's start there. By Bushtracker standards, this build is mild, but it has been optioned up to be cutting edge for self-sufficiency. Supplied by EnerDrive, this 19 has 300 amp hours of lithium battery, 540 watts of solar, a 60 amp AC and a 40 amp DC charging system, plus an inverter. Combined, it won't run the AC, but you should never run out of charge for the fridge, upgraded stove with induction, washing machine and lighting. Gas is used for the hot water system, as in Bushtracker's own words, there isn't a good enough electric-only system out there. My only bugbear is that the van doesn't have an optional grey water tank fitted, though it does have a combined 225 litres of water capacity and a Webusto diesel heater for cold nights. Like all Bushtrackers, the chassis is locally made, the frame is fully welded aluminium, cladding is 3mm thick fiberglass inside and out, and the roof is 75mm thick and runs one piece from the front to the back to minimise possible water and dust ingress. Inside is a work of art too. Let's have a look. If you want to live comfortably in the outback, you can't go wrong with a Bushtracker. And don't worry, it does have a table, it's just currently tucked away safely under the queen bed. Now there are a couple of things that stand out to me inside. The first and most obvious is a full gloss black ceiling, which bounces light around inside and just creates a sense of airiness. Now the second thing that stood out to me is the beautiful colour palette that's been used, which has also been matched on the 188 litre Dometic fridge to the cabinets. Now this particular 19 is designed for couples and it's got some really nice inclusions. The Truma Aventa AC, electric hatches, and I really like the gas and electric hob. It allows you to run it off the inverter, which means you can use really efficient electrical power to quickly heat, or you can run it off gas. Now the 188 litre fridge is compressor, so electric only, and the ensuite is very spacious, and a really nice touch is a clear glass door, which just again allows more light and more airiness into that area of the van. And the outside is just as striking, with strong primary colours matched well with the simple graphics and of course the famous Bushtracker logo on the rear. Does it have the credentials to match the looks? You betcha. It is so clean and tidy under here, possibly the best I've seen. Now there's no grey tank, but there are dedicated drinking and shower or general use water tanks, and it rides on Simplicity Axle's load sharing system, which offers a huge amount of articulation, still offers really good compliance. Now it's been popular with Bushtracker for a number of years for its reliability, its durability, and from the service the Victorian company provides. It's top stuff. One of the best things about the 19 Compact is, well, its compactness. It might not be featherweight, but well-built vans really are. But its size and ATM means that any of the new generation of Utes, or a Prado, or a Land Cruiser, or MUX is a good option to tow with. The V6 Amarok we had was flawless. Its silky smooth engine and 8-speed gearbox meant it never really felt stressed, while returning around 17 litres per 100 kilometres driven in mixed use. You should get better on a long cruise. Right, let's wrap it up. What else is there to say? We know the 19-foot compact is well made. It's stunning inside and it's clearly capable. But there's more to Bushtracker. They evaluate and test every product that goes into their caravans, as well as complete units. And this should give you the confidence that if you want to travel properly into the outback, you'll have the warranty and support to get you there in comfort every time.